ओके, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। किशन, स्टार्ट योर इंट्रो एंड बॉटम द टॉपिक।
Okay. Jai everyone. I am Kishan. I am from Kanpur, UP. I completed my 10th and 12th from State Board with the aggregate percentage 86 in 10th and 90.2 in 12th and currently pursuing for BSc from Kanpur University. There are five members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have two siblings. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and running. I want to join Indian Air Force because I will serve nation and financially support my family. Now coming to the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is women empowerment. As we know that women is the unit of any family and family is the unit of any society and society is the unit of any country. If we go for the empowerment of our country, then you go for empowerment the women empowerment means to make aware for their rights and that such as their health and education. That's all. Thank you.
स्टॉप। सुशील, सुशील है? नहीं है। ओके, अरुण पवार।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Arun. I am from Dholpur, Rajasthan. I have completed 12th class from State Board. Now I am pursuing graduation from State University. There are 10 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve the nation and I attract its adventure life. Now I would like to tell you about the topic that is women empowerment. Women empowerment is giving better opportunity and better education for women. As we know, as we know, for a long time, women are facing discrimination and inequality. Now we have to empower women uh, uh, to uh, encourage to encourage uh, country economy. It is also helpful for. Thank you.
ओके, नेक्स्ट शिव ठाकुर।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shivratan. I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. Basically, I have completed class 12 from our BSc board. There are four members in my family. My father is electrician and my mother is dedicated homemaker. My hobby is playing volleyball. I want to join Indian Air Force because the aim of my life is to serve my country. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment means giving women the power and freedom and make decision power. It ensures equality between men and women. Now I want to say importance of women empowerment. First is it provide equality in society, and second is women are empowered, they contribute to the growth and development of our country. And some challenges of women empowerment is lack of education in girls. Thank you.
स्टॉप। दीपक, दीपक।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Deepak. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed intermediate from ISU board and I am pursuing graduation from State University. There are six members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I like playing cricket and kabaddi also. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is disciplined and very respectful job for me and our society. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment means giving women equal right, opportunity and freedom to make decisions. It is essential for social growth, economic development, and achieving gender equality. To empowering women, they need proper education and equal job opportunity. Strong laws should protect their rights. Many Indian leaders like Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, and Mary Kom choose the protect us
स्टॉप,
empowered women.
स्टॉप। Next, Bhum Singh.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Bhom Singh. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I have completed class 12 from RBC board. There are five members in my family. My father is farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I want to join Air Force because there is adventurous life and I want to serve the nation. Today topic that has been assigned to me, women empowerment. Women empowerment means provide equal opportunity to women and educated women. Men and women both are the backbone of any country. Women empowerment means provide opportunity to making self decision. Thank you.
Okay, next, Danish.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Danish. I am from Bihar. I have completed class 12 from Bihar board. Now I pursuing graduation from VKS University. There are four family members in my family. My father is operator in HPA gas factory. My mother is dedicated homemaker. I have three siblings. My aim is join Indian Air Force because it is job full adventure, satisfaction and pride. Now I'd like to tell you a topic which has been assigned to me. So, dear friends, first of all, know that what is woman empowerment? Woman empowerment means providing a power to the woman to spend their life according to us. Woman empowerment promote the gender equality. There are many challenges against the woman empowerment, like violence against the woman, providing limited access of education. Thank you, friends. Further, I will discuss in group discussion.
Okay, next, Saurabh
रोशनी
Kumar. Saurabh Kumar.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Saurabh Kumar. I am from Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from State Board in year 2023 and now I am pursuing BSc from Mahatma Jyotiba Phule University. There are four members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing outdoor games like cricket, football, and my strong point is that I am disciplined. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a good career opportunity at adventures life. That's all about me. And now I would like to introduce the topic that is women empowerment. Dear all friends, in my point of view, this topic related to how to empower women in our society and what is the necessity of women empowerment for a developing nation like India. In my opinion, women empowerment is a way by which how we can strengthen the women in our society. Thank you.
Okay, stop. Nadeem Khan.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Nadeem. I hail from UP Amroha. Basically, I have completed my 12th class from UP board. Now I am pursuing BSc from State University. Now I am talking about my family. There are six members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have three siblings. My hobby are running and playing cricket. And I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve the nation through the Air Force, and Air Force give me a adventureful life. Let's discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us. Today topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment means give equal opportunity to the woman and give the freedom to what he do. If we do the women empowerment, they are contribute the GDP and economic growth. We need to do this because in our male dominating society, women considered as the second class citizen. If we empower the women, they are reduce the gender equality on the base of gender, and they are contribute the economic growth. And government should start some awareness program about the positive impact
Stop.
of women empowerment and
Stop.
gir-
Stop. Ishika.
Hello everyone, I am Ishika, an enthusiastic and patriotic individual from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th grade from Central Board of Secondary Education and am now pursuing my graduation. In my family, apart from my parents, I have three siblings. I am motivated to join Indian Air Force because its uniform symbolizes authority and responsibility, reflecting the honor of serving my country and upholding its values. Now I am going to discuss the topic that has been assigned to me, that is women empowerment. Women empowerment is an essential topic that has gained significant attention in recent years. Women empowerment is very essential for a country to make it prosperous. We can make our women empowered by giving them education and make them aware about their rights. Thank you.
Okay. Mansi Chauhan.
Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Ronak. I am from UP. I have completed class 12 with 91% from state board. Now I am pursuing graduation from state university. There are four members in my family. My father is farmer and my mother is dedicated homemaker. My hobby is listening music and I want to join Indian Air Force because this is proudful way of serve our nation. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment means giving women the power and opportunity to participate in social, economic, political field, and it creates equality between men and women while providing the same opportunity in all fields like education and working. Thank you.
Okay. Next, Mohammed Anas.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ayan. I belong to Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th from State Board with PCM. Now I am pursuing in BSc from State University. I have four family members. My father is a laborer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because make my parents proud and contribute myself to my country. This is all about me. Now I would like to tell about today's GD topic, women empowerment. Women empowerment refers to providing the women with tools, opportunities, and right to make their own decision and live life with dignity and respect. It is about treating women are equally, providing them education, job, and make them ensure their voice are heard in society. The movement for women empowerment has gained significant level in recent years, but challenges remain. Thank you.
Okay. Ashish Singh Jat.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ashish Singh. I am from district Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. It is famous for Narora power plant. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from state board. Now I am pursuing BA from CCSU University, Meerut. My hobbies are running and playing volleyball. I am an amiable and honest person. Now I come to the topic, women empowerment. Women all over the world have proved themselves as dynamic, vibrant, sincere, and perfect in many fields. Their efforts and role in shaping a nation's development have proved that women in no way are inferior to men. They are efficient and perseverant enough to face all odds, challenges, and obstacles and prove their genius in a male dominated society. Women such as Indira Gandhi,
Stop.
Margaret Thatcher,
Stop. Rishabh Sagai. Rishabh. Rishabh. Are you listening? Okay, next. Anshuman.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Ansman from Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I passed my intermediate with 68% mark in 2023. Now I am pursuing my graduation from Royal University. I love to play cricket and watching patriotic movies in my free time. I am honest towards my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a chance to serve my motherland. Dear friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to how to empower the women or what is the necessity of women empowerment for a developing nation like India. Dear friend, India is a developing nation, and in our society, at one side, women are compared as goddess, and on the other side, they are treated as whore. Dear friends, in our male-dominated society, women are considered as a second-class citizen, and they are physically, sexually, and mentally abused for a long time. And there is no legal status and decision-making power for the in our society. Dear friends, for making our country, for developing to a developed nation, education is the best way to empower the women
Stop.
as well as girls in our society. Thank you.
Stop. Next, Govind. Govind.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Govind Yadav. I am from Rajgarh, MP. I have completed my 10 plus 2 in MP board. Now I am pursuing BSc second year in Barkatullah University, Bhopal. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and watching sports and news. I want to join Indian Air Force as an Agniveer Vayu because it's give me an adventurous life and also respect me and my family in the society. Today's our topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment is a combination of a two word woman and empowerment. Empowerment giving someone's power or authority. Woman just like a wing of a bird. If we cut wing of a bird, the bird cannot fly. And in the same way, nation cannot progress unless it women unless its women are educated and aware of its right. Once someone has said that mother is the first teacher of the child, and an
Stop.
educated woman help to.
Stop. Stop. Next, Manish.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Manish and I hail from now a prominent district in Uttar Pradesh. UP is famous for its rich culture and temple. In my family, my father Mr. Kamab Shah is a farmer, my mother is a dedicated homemaker, and I have four siblings. I completed my 10th and 12th education from UP board and am currently pursuing a BCom degree from Kanpur University. As for my hobbies, I enjoy playing chess, watching movies, and exploring new things. I aspire to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectful and honorable profession in our society. It's all about me. Now I am going to discuss about the topic as we know very well. Our topic is in women empowerment. As we know that women empowerment is a major social issue. Women empowerment is all about making women socially and financially independent. Women empowerment is about improving the status of women in society. It is important for the progress of nation. Women are not free to express their opinion on anything. Thank you.
Okay. Next, Gaurav Sikar.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gaurav Singh Sehwag. I am from Morena, Madhya Pradesh. It is part of Chambal. It is the birthplace of athletics Panjim Tomar and freedom fighter Ram Prasad Bismil. I have done my 10 plus 2 in 2022 with 63% marks. Now I am pursuing my graduation from Jivaji University, Gwalior. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. Let me discuss our today's topic. Our today's topic is women empowerment. In India is the most effective tool for development as these days. Women across the world are actively working as a leader and surpassing other in all space of life. As we know, our male-dominated society, what is the position of nowadays women? After the women empowerment, women are participate in many things like study and politics and sports. So women empowerment is the very helpful for our male dominated society for women. Further points we will discuss in our GD.
Okay. Next, Prem Sani.
My name is Premchand. I am from Churu, Rajasthan, which is famous for its historical places and braveries. I have completed 12th class from RBSE board. I am physically fit and mentally sound. My hobbies are playing cricket and many outdoor games. I want to join Indian Air Force because there is no casteism, no discrimination. The selection is on merit basis, and I also want to touch the sky with glory. And now I express my views on the topic. Today topic is women empowerment. Women are base of family. Empowerment of women will give new workforce to our society. Government has also taken some steps for women empowerment like Sukanya Yojana, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme. The good example of women empowerment like Sonia Mirza, PV Sindhu, etc. Why we need women empowerment? Female fanticide or infanticide are major problem in India. Childhood marriage are still exist in many states of India. In the end of, I would like to say on this topic that women are important part of
Stop by
society
stop.
and in a developed country.
Stop.
Thank you.
Rajat, Rajat, are you here? Okay, next Mohit Kumar.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Mohit. I am from Jajjar, Haryana. I have done my class 12 from CBSE board. Currently, I am pursuing BSc from MD University Rohtak. My hobbies are running and watching patriotic movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives the adventurous opportunity to serve for my country. Now come to our topic, women empowerment. As we know that women are the equal part of our society as much as men. In women empowerment, we give the equal opportunities to women in the education, employment, political and economic matters also. In women empowerment is equal important because in our society both men and women are in equal population, so we give equal respect and equal status to the women also. There are major factors which affect the women empowerment are male ego and male dominance, which affects the women empowerment. In the
Stop.
recent years we
Stop. Anuj Solanki.
Jai Hind friends, I am Anuj from Ujjain MP, which is very famous for Sianst Kumbh Mela in every 12 years. I have passing my 12th from MP board and currently I am pursuing BTech from RGP University Bhopal. My hobby is playing cricket and reading books. I went to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventurous life. Dear all friends, we are here to discuss on topic women empowerment. Women empowerment is a major social issue. No doubt it is a matter to talk about in today's world. Before we got freedom, India has been working empowering women. Women empowerment, uh, today's women are working shoulder to shoulder with men. Women empowerment means women can take their own decision and take their equal right to them in every field like social, political and economical. Thank you.
Okay. Next Vicky. Shivkant.
सिस्टर योगेश कुमार का माइक ऑन
Jai
दो
Hind
बार.
everyone. My name is
Please don't interrupt me. Shivkant, start your intro.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sukant. I am from Bhadoi, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed class 12th from UP board with 77% and now I am pursuing BCom. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join India Armed Force to serve my country. The topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment is the process to make women equal rights, equal opportunities, resources, and make their decisions freely. The first step to empower women is education so that they can be economically free and can support to their families and as well as the to positively society. Thank you.
Okay. Sahil Beniwal.
First of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sahil Benjwal. I am from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, which is known as a land of bravery. My father is a farmer and my mother is a good housewife. I have completed my 12th with science stream and now I am pursuing my graduation degree with IGNOU University. My hobbies is to playing and watching cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives an adventurous life and golden opportunity to serve our nation. Now moving our today's topic, women empowerment. Women empowerment is the process of giving the ability to women to make their own choices, having to say about social change and participate fully in society. Women empowerment helps to become aware about gender-based unequal relationships. It helps women to speak out in a greater voice against inequalities to faces in society. Women empowerment helps women for the economic independent and financial institutions. It
Stop.
is very thank you.
Ankit Yadav. Ankit Yadav. Okay. Yogesh Kumar.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Yogesh. I am from Aligarh in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation from State University. There are 7 members in my family, and my father is a shopkeeper, and my mother is a perfect homemaker. We have 5 siblings. I want to join the Air Force because it is not a job, it is adventure and discipline life, and this service gives us more respect in our society. My hobbies are playing cricket and traveling. Today we are here to discuss about the topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment giving the women rights, opportunity, freedom to make their own decision and live equally in society. They can because they can live confidently and independently. Women empowerment is very necessary for any developing country like India. Women empowerment promote the gender equality in society. Women empowerment is giving the same rights and opportunity as well as men in the the all areas of life. Women empowerment provides the best education infrastructure to achieve their goals. Women empowerment protect women from harassing and eve
Stop,
teasing.
stop, stop, stop. Gaurav Singh.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gaurav. I belongs to Mou UP. I passed my class 12 from state board. There are 8 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket, kabaddi and cycling. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventurous and glorious life. Moreover, I want to get a chance to serve my motherland. Now, I would like to tell about the topic which is assigned to me. The topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment scheme was launched by Indian government. It aimed to provide women uh, to it aimed to make a women self-confident and self-dependent, and they take their own decision in every field of their life. It was a good initiative to to take the that women can make their own identity in their life. Now further we
Stop.
discuss in GD.
Mannu.
First of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Vikas Kumar. I hail from Murdawad, which is famous for brass. It is called Brass City, and currently I completed my BSc from MJPRU Rohilkhand University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a pious lady. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to play cricket and running. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a disciplined and adventurous life, and it is my childhood dream. Now I come to the topic women empowerment. Women empowerment means to making women powerful and independent. Due to women empowerment, women can take their decision. In India, the position of women is not good. Sometimes we have seen that many crimes against women in India, like sexual harassment, acid attack, rape, domestic violence, child marriage, and dowry system, etc. And now we are living in 21st century, but at the same time we are losing the sense of humanity towards Indian women. Thank you.
Stop. Next, Shiv Thakur. Shiv Thakur.
ओके दीदी मेरा
क्या भाई? शायद नेटवर्क इशू है. ओके. नेक्स्ट, विक्की. ओके. नेक्स्ट, अंकित यादव. राजपाल.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Rajpal Sutar. I am from Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I have done my senior secondary with RBC board. Now I pursuing my graduation with MGSU University. My hobbies are playing cricket, meditation, watching patriotic movie. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's service of pride and honor. Now, I would like to convey my views on the given topic, which is women empowerment. Women empowerment means strengthen the women in our society financially, economically, etc. In our society, women are considered a second class citizen, and women are compared to whore, and women are not decision making power given by the male dominant society, and our society made by the two gender, one women and another man. And Swami Vivekanand also said the it is not possible to fly on the one wing the bird,
Stop.
then male and female are required to.
Stop. Abhishek Yadav.
Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Abhishek Yadav. I am from Kanpur Dehad, which is the Manchester of North India. At present, I am pursuing BSc second year. Recently, I complete 12th in science stream with 83% marks. My hobbies are reading books and gardening. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation and I want to touch the sky with glory. Dear friends, we are gathering here to discuss about the topic. Our topic is related to women empowerment. At first, we have to understand what is women empowerment. To give opportunity women's is called what she wants to do is called women empowerment. Dear our friend, as we all know that we know that woman is the base of any family. When we empower a family, then we will empower a good family. We know that woman is the backbone of any family. If she will be educated, then she will
Stop.
also grow up. Thank you.
Stop. Arun Kamal.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Arun Kumar. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for leather production. My father's my father is a laborer and my mother is dedicated homemaker. I have passed class 12 from UP board and secure a marks 86.8. Now I pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Kanpur University. My hobby is playing cricket and volleyball. I want to join Indian Air Force because touch the glory with the sky. Now come on the topic. Our topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment is one of the social issue, and since 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 we got freedom after 1991, government 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 working for women and women empowering women working shoulder to shoulder with men women
Okay,
bearing.
stop. Stop. Shiva Trivedi.
Hey everyone, my name is Shiva Trivedi. I come from Raivali, Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed class 12 from UP board. Now I'm pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. There are three members in my family, including me. My father is a farmer, my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have two siblings. My hobbies are teaching and gardening. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's give discipline, adventurous life, and to serve my nation. Now we are going to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to me. Today's my topic is women empowerment. Women are doing good in almost all the field, be it games and sport, defense, information technology, medicine, law, space, etc. Whenever given a chance, women have proved their worth. If you educated a boy, you are educating a person. But if you educate a girl, then you are educating two families. Therefore, it is important that we are give good in education to girls.
Stop.
Society.
Sumit Gupta. Sumit Gupta. Okay.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sun Gupta. I belong to Kanpur, located in UP. If I talk my qualifications, I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board, and currently I am pursuing BSc from Central University. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music, so I want to join the Indian Air Force to serve the nation, pride and discipline. Now I would like to convey my views on the given topic, which is women empowerment. Women empowerment means providing women with their rights, opportunities, and equality so that they can become independent and equality and independent and strong with all aspects of life. It includes discipline, education, and social freedom, and ability to take decisions. We know that women plays an important role in our society, so if not adopted by women empowerment, so it is effect on the economic growth of country.
Stop. Ankesh Yadav.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ankesh Kumar. I hail from Ravrali, Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed my 12th with PCM from State Board and currently I am pursuing graduation from State University. There are 8 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is dedicated to homemaker. I have 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and running also. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is very respectful job in our society and it does attract to me a lot of. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to me. Today's topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment means give the power to the women and awareness their life and take their decision themselves without being any controlled by others. If women are empowered, then they can take their decision very carefully and take their family in very carefully. If women are empowered, then we can create new jobs and opportunities in the our society. One side women are treated by a godness, and other side we can see in
Stop.
our society women are
Stop.
treated
Stop.
a whore. Further, I will discuss in group discussion.
Stop. Shiv Thakur. शिव ठाकुर।
दीदी
मैम उसका हो गया।
हो गया है मेरा।
भाई आवाज नहीं आई थी आपका।
नहीं मैम उससे पहले हो गया था, इसका दूसरे नंबर पे हुआ था, दूसरे से तीसरे नंबर पे नहीं बोल रहा था।
ओके सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी। ओके ओके। भूम सिंह हो गया। ओके। योगेश यूपी 92। योगेश यूपी 92। भाई वॉइस नहीं आ रही, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा वॉइस को रेज करो, बिल्कुल वॉइस नहीं आ रही है आपकी।
Am I audible?
यस स्टार्ट।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Yogesh. I hail from Uri, Uttar Pradesh. I have passed my 12th in 2023. Currently, I am pursuing BSc from Bundelkhand University. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I like to play cricket, reading books, etc. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will give me a secure career and life as well as give me a golden opportunity to serve the nation. Let's talk about the uh, today's topic. Today's topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment giving equal right, opportunity, and freedom in personal, social, and professional life. A society cannot be progress if half of its population is not empowered. Thank you.
ओके। किसी का रह गया है इंट्रो बॉटम द टॉपिक बोलने के लिए? किसी का रह गया है तो मुझे बता सकता है। आई थिंक सबका हो गया। किसी का रहा तो नहीं है जो भी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? शायद सबका हो गया है। ठीक है, तो मैं अब चलते हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन पे। मैं ग्रुप बना रही हूँ क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे हैं, तो मैं ग्रुप बना दे रही हूँ। और जब मैं बोलूंगी कि किसी का नेम कॉल आउट करके इनिशिएट करना है, तो उसको इनिशिएट करने के बाद सब फिर उसके बाद बार बार इनिशिएट नहीं करेगा, अपने पॉइंट्स को बोलते रहना है। ठीक है, तो मैं ग्रुप बना रही हूँ। ठीक है, तो नेम सुन लेना अपने ध्यान से। Okay, I call out the name group A: Yogesh Kumar, Kishan, Arun Pamar, Shiv Thakur, Deepak, Bhom Singh, Danish, Gaurav Singh, Govind, Mannu, and Manish. I repeat, the name Yogesh Kumar, Kishan, Arun Pamar, Shiv Thakur, Deepak, Bhom Singh, Danish, Gaurav Singh, Govind, Mannu, Manish. Okay, and start your GD Group A.
Dear friends, dear friends,
Gentlemen,
I hope you know that, dear friends, I hope you know that Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. It was launched from the government side. It is a good initiative. And in Bihar, government provides some scholarship after the pass out of 12th, 10th, and graduation for for further study of the girls. It is a good initiative from the government side, and also government promote the women empowerment.
Women empowerment is very
gentlemen, I
essential
agree
for
with
any
you.
developing country
My point
because
is this.
it provide equality and ensure the unity in our society as well as our country. And government take many initiative in the form of such as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao policy that starts in Panipat, Haryana in 2014, and another some policies such as Mahila Sukh Kendra and Widow Remarriage Act 1856, and another some such as Widow Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme. That's all.
Gentlemen,
Women
I
is the
agree with
pillar
you.
of
I
a
have one
nation.
words for you
If
points.
she is a heart for health and that are men, there is no chance of for property of the world unless the confidence of women is ameliorated.
Yes,
Dear
gentlemen,
friends,
as we know, women
my
empowerment is very essential for better life and better education. Education is the key of empowerment. When women receive better education, they get they gain confidence to make decision in life.
Gentlemen, I
Empowerment,
agree with you.
women
But my
empowerment
point is
is
this:
educating women.
empowerment means giving the women for equal chance for government jobs, leadership schools, and politics, and giving the same rights and opportunity for the women as well as men in all areas.
Yes, my friend,
Dear
I agree
friends,
with your
I
point.
hope you
Women
agree with
women
your point.
empowerment
Dear friends,
scheme help
you
women
see that.
that they participate in many areas, and they also take their own decision in their field of life, and also they take care of their family with their decisions.
And
Yes,
many
Dear
decades
friends,
it
you
is
see,
well
dear
documented
friends, you see
that
that
women have
in
always a
different
greater
types of
position
fields,
than men in
in
society.
different,
They do not enjoy equal right of men.
dear friends, you see that in different types of fields like doctor, engineer, also defense sector. Girls are also serving this to do their best from these sectors.
Gentlemen, I agree with you. Women empowerment is very important of our country.
One more point.
Men and women
Many
are
Indian
equally.
leaders like Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, and Mary Kom shows the potential of empowered women. And to empowering women, they need proper education and equal job opportunity. A strong law
Yes, my
should
friend, I agree
protect
with your
their
point, and I
rights
want to
and
add some
ensure
other
safety.
point that women, many more examples of women empowerment like Hima Das, PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, Kalpana Chawla, and Avni Chaturvedi. He was a great example of women empowerment, and
Gentlemen,
Educated
I
women
agree with
help
you, but
the
my point is
children
this:
in teaching
empowerment
group.
is very
so
necessary
we
for any
support
developed
we should
country
support
like
women
India
and
because woman is the backbone of the any family. So women empowerment protect from women, teaching, violence, harassing, and discrimination.
At last, I would like to say that women empowered can contribute to nation building by joining any sectors like army, air force, social service, politics,
The,
education, corporate sector.
the condition
When
of
women are empowered, whole
the condition of women
society
is very
benefits.
well, but in the Mughal era, the condition of women is very bad, such as many unwanted practices held in Mughal era, such as Parda system and Sati Pratha system.
For women
yes, gentlemen, as we
empowerment,
know,
you and I want to add one more point.
बेटी पढ़ाओ
It is a
प्रधानमंत्री योजना सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना एटसेट्रा. An educated woman
Gentlemen,
is
as
the
you have asked,
employer.
why our country is not
Dear
increasing.
friends, in
So
India, dear friends,
women should be given chance to work, and it also helpful for GDP for our country.
At last,
in
I would
India,
like to say that
dear
women
friends,
are
you see
equal
that
rights
in
for
India,
respect and very
many
important.
cases.
In moral values and in our society, at one side, women are compared as goodness, and other side, women are treated as a warrior. And nowadays, girls are doing well in sports like Manu Bhakar and Mirabai Chanu and PV Sindhu and Hema Das.
Dear
But
friends,
gentlemen,
you
I
see
agree with
that
your point.
in
I want
India,
to add
many
one more
cases
point. It
arise.
is very essential
In
and
India,
very
many cases
important for social
arise
growth.
like in dear friends, you see that in India, day by day, rape cases will be rise. It is a bad sign of the women empowerment because women are not free to move. Government should be stop this and provide the power of women to go freely anywhere and spend their life according to us.
Yes, my friend, I
Gentlemen,
agree with
women
your point,
empowerment is
but
very
I want to
Conclusion,
add
in
some
my
new point
opinion,
that this scheme is for that that women are also strong mentally and physically, so that
At
yes,
they can
last,
gentlemen,
counter
I
attack
agree with
this
your
kind of
point.
problem.
I
at
agree
last,
with your
I would
point,
like to
and
say
in
that
my opinion,
empowering women is
empowering
very
women improves
essential
families,
for a country
community,
and
and
a
nation.
family.
Women empowerment comes like a breath of air, and it separate awareness about their equality. It promote women's safety, and it reduce gender inequality.
gentlemen. I agree with you. Women
Country
empowerment is very
that are
important
increasing
of
day
our
by day.
country.
We should like the line Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Government should start many schemes to Beti Padhao Beti Bachao and Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, and women like Hima Das deserve a great respect because her journey start from shoeless girl to Adidas girl.
Women
Yes, gentlemen,
empower.
I agree with your point. In my opinion, at last, the conclusion, empowering women improves families, community, and the nation. It is a very vital for a fair and progressive society.
In our country, rape increasing day by day. It affect not only those girl who is raped but also those girl who is free and independent.
As we know, women have faced discrimination and violence. So women empowerment is very essential. Society have to work together and empower women.
When women are empowered, they contribute to the growth and development of family and society, and empowerment help remove traditional roles.
As we know, women is the main pillar of India. Without women, our society cannot grow. So we should support women and fulfill their dreams. Parents should teach their sons to respect women.
I conclude the topic. Gender discrimination is a big barrier and is common in society. Women empowerment helps in reducing gender equality in society.
At last, I would like to say that empowering women is a better step for society and family.
At last, I would like to say that women must given equal opportunity in every field of life.
At last, I would like to say that women are future of our country. So provide equal opportunity to them. Provide to them.
To ensure women empowerment, government should take some steps like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, and reservation for women in jobs.
A lot of learn about women empowerment. At last, I would like to say that it is the moral duty of every citizen to save women because women are the backbone of India.
Okay, group participation is A is over. Now come to group B. I call out the name. Gaurav Sikarwar, Prem Shaini, Mohit Kumar, Anuj Solanki, Shivkant, Sahil Beniwal, अंकित यादव तो है नहीं इसमें। नेक्स्ट योगेश यूपी 92, अंशुमन शुक्ला, राजपाल, सुमित गुप्ता, अभिषेक यादव। आई रिपीट द नेम: गौरव सिकरवार, प्रेम सैनी, मोहित कुमार, अनु सोलंकी, शिवकांत, साहिल बेनीवाल, योगेश यूपी 92, अंशुमन शुक्ला, राजपाल, सुमित गुप्ता एंड अभिषेक यादव। स्टार्ट।
Women
Dear
It
friends,
is
empowerment.
a great step taken by the government to step up in women to raise
Women
their status in education and political career. It is reduce the gender equality and discriminations. It is very important for a prosperous and peaceful
Country,
world.
we are talking about in the side of women. Women is the backbone of any country, and we are know that the women requirement more and more.
we should provide the same equality to the girls as well as women.
Women
Women
empowerment gives
empowerment
the
is
opportunity to
important because
women to
it is
serve for
promote
the country
equality
in
in
every field,
gender.
social, political, and economic matters also.
Empowerment is important because it is promote gender equality in society, and when women join the workforce, so increasing very fastly our economic and politic growth.
Women
Education is
empowerment helps the women to serve in every field in sports,
like
education, and political matter also.
Dear friend, as we know that we
A
comes
good
from the rural
example of
area,
women
so
empowerment are
the people
Sania
feel
Mirza
that the
Previous
girls is grow up, they think the marriage is the only settlement for the woman. In this era, if a woman gets early age marriage, then they can't get grow up healthy and mentally pressure, and sometimes women have to bear the bully harassment from their life partner, and many other problems in his career.
Women empowerment
Yes,
helps the women to become
totally agree with
independent.
you. If we promoting women in male-dominated field, then it reduces hesitation and discrimination among each other. And if we promote women in every sector,
yes, my friend. Delhi
then we
government
see
also launched the
the
PCR when the condition
dream
of
of developed
women.
nation.
Yes, my
To
friend.
expand
Yes,
more points about it, women
we have
empowerment
know that the Delhi government also launched PCR
and
when
by
the
the
GPS
three
system to
transparent
of
leaders.
women are not good. My friend, I am agreed with you. Women, if women is empowered, so they take better decisions for their life and their family's life, and it is reduce the social evils in the society like dowry, child marriage, and domestic violence.
in many
Yes, Shantanu, as
regions,
we know, in ancient
women
times,
is
women
equal
had to face
opportunity to
many
thrive
problems,
with
such as
justice,
there is
women
still
empowerment.
female sides and infantry size. There are so many challenges in the ancient times. Women have to bear. In the ancient time, women can't able to go out from the house, but nowadays, women can free. They can go anywhere and can get fulfilled their dreams. Now our government has also support them. Now government now women are not taking part in various system. We can take women's are now playing Olympic games. Manu Bhaskar is the great example. In ancient time, Indira Gandhi was the first prime minister, lady prime minister, and Lata Mangeshkar was the great singer, and many other women are like Mother Teresa was the best pride for the women's caste.
The
The girls
greatest
are
example of women
many
empowerment
of
seen in
life.
our president also. That is the supreme post, and president
Yes.
also she is a woman also.
Education is the best weapon to empowering the women. Like in our society, women are not good position, and women are educating the whole family, are educating the men, are educating the individual educating.
I agree with you, friend.
Yes, my
On
friend,
that
I
side, I
totally
have
agree with
major
you.
problem
In our
with
male-dominated society,
gender
women are considered as a
equality.
second-class citizen. In our male-dominated, women are considered as a second-class citizen. They are physically, sexually, and mentally abused for a long time period.
Yes, my
Even
friend.
in this 21st century, gender equality is still exists. There are so many women we are silently bearing the harassment of their life partners because a lack of education, lack of awareness, and lack of empowerment.
Yes,
Women
dear Jan,
empowerment is
as
very
we all know
important
that
for
our
developing
government
our
Sarkar
country
Pradhan
to
Scheme,
develop
Beti
state.
Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana, and many Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and many other example. We can take example Avni Chaturvedi, and recently Delhi Chief Minister Atisi is also the best example to freedom nowadays women get. Nowadays women are taking part in the armed forces and many other fields. At last, I would like to say that we have to eliminate gender inequality, and government has also government and us also responsible towards the women empowerment. Thank you.
Government
Yes,
has
Emergency.
also
totally agree with
initiated the
you.
yojana like
We are
Beti Bachao
educating
Beti
men
Padhao
and
Yojana,
an individual,
and
but
Yes,
we
by
are
last
educating
Indian
a woman,
government
then we
Beti
are
Bachao
educating
Beti
a whole family.
Yojana and
And after
Sukanya Samriddhi
educating the
Yojana
woman,
लागू
she will know
की
the
है।
right weapon of equality. And after that, our country is growing properly.
As we see that
And
women climb the highest peak of Mount Everest, so we should empower women because they have capabilities.
When women are empowered, whole society benefits. Education and women about healthcare promotes healthier families.
In conclusion, I want to say that women are important part, essential part of society. So women with their rights, opportunities. So our responsibility is that to make women self-reliant and ensure women progress equally in the field of playing and others field.
At last, I want to
government has
say as much as men equal, women also equal, same as the men.
At
important
last,
role
I
in
would like to say
nation
that
building.
giving the equal opportunity for the women, and women are not aware their rights, and awareness and education also promoted in rural area, that will be beneficial for our country, and empowering the women a best weapon to education.
The Indian
Yes,
government
state
has
building
launched.
and childhood and by providing self-defense training
support
and
our country.
education, women we promote women empowerment.
The Indian government has launched many schemes or programs to deal with empowering women like Ujjwala and Nirbhaya Yojana, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and
yes, the government has initiated this yojana like Ujjwala Yojana and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana, but still the government has to put efforts in this because there are many fields that has still limited education and the discrimination.
Women can slow equality is a right, not a privilege. Women's boost because they जब
At last, I want to say that empowering women is not that empowering the only family, but also the the society positively.
हो गए भाई सबके पॉइंट। ग्रुप बी अभी तो नहीं हुए, बोलो।
all the women as is to take women like internal level. Thank you.
भाई पॉइंट बोलो, पार्टिसिपेट करो जिनके नहीं हुए। ओके, group B, group discussion is over. Now come to group C. I call out the name Mohammad Anas, Saurav Kumar, Nadeem Khan, Asi Singh Jat, Rishabh, Mansi Chauhan, Ankesh Yadav, Arun Kamal, Shiva Trivedi. I repeat the name Mohammad Anas, Saurav Kumar, Nadeem Khan, Ashish Singh Jat, Ishika, Rishabh Shakai, Mansi Chauhan, Ankesh Yadav, Arun Kamal, and Shiva Trivedi. Start.
Education is a powerful tool for empowering women. Many girls are now going to school, and education helps them become independent and make informed decisions and contribute positively to society.
Today's
Government
educated and
has
modern women
launched
have
many
said away
schemes
their
as like
inhibitions and
Pradhan Mantri
fears.
Yojana,
They are successful both as homemakers
Nirbhaya
as well
Fund,
as
and as
professional
like this.
academics, bureaucrats, and politicians.
Stop, everybody stop. Manu Kumar, everybody stop now. कोई अपना कैमरा ओपन मत करो भाई. Start again.
Today's educated and modern women have said away their inhibitions and fears. They are successful both as homemakers as well as professionals, academics, bureaucrats, and politicians.
In our male dominated society, women are considered as a second class citizen, and they are physically, mentally, sexually abused for a long time, and there is no legal status and decision making power in our community. So women empowerment is a good way to empower the women. So
In
Yes,
are
gentlemen,
today's
I
women,
agree with you.
women
In India,
working
and two
men
country,
with shoulder to
our
shoulder and
Indian
women
Navy
are more
as a
helpful
pilot.
because we have seen that women are sexual harassed and raped by many pupils.
in these days, women bearing sexual harassment with by life partner because lack of education and lack of her rights.
A
we
society
need
that
to do
respects
we
our
need to do this
women actively gives rise
because
to a
our
modern
male
country
dominating
that also
society
a
women consider
country.
as the second class citizen, so this is the best method to improve the women class. So we need to do women empowerment.
to
Society that
empower
respects
There
the
and
are many
women.
empower
rights
its
provided
women will
by
surely
the
grow and
Constitution.
prosper. Let us take the example of Western countries. There, women are given equal rights, and almost all the women in West are educated, as a result of which West is developed.
To empower the woman, education is the best weapon because after educating the woman, she will know the right of equality and the equal opportunity, and she will get the equal status in our society.
It is very important that we spread awareness amongst the women. If a woman knows her rights, then many crimes like domestic violence, and cyber crime against women, harassment, and workplaces can be reduced.
If we empower the women, they are contribute the country development and reduce the discrimination on the base of gender. And education is the best method to improve the women, empower the women. And we need to encourage the girls to do the study. And women encourage the job and business.
Yes,
There,
gentlemen, I agree with you. Women in India step into leadership role. Sri Atisi ji is the best example of a leadership role in politics, and many people encourage the women to leadership role and various organizations. Thank you.
there, there are some good.
Nowadays,
There are some great example of women empowerment, like Manu Bhaker. Recently, we have seen the Manu Bhaker won a bronze medal in Olympic, and other example like PV Sindhu, Indira Gandhi, etc.
nowadays
The
we
women
need
need
to
to be given
eliminate
equal
we need
representation
to
in nation
eliminate
building
gender
activities
equality for
in the
empowering women.
parties. Government has announced Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, a small deposit scheme for the girl child, and even more.
A woman was president of our country. A woman had been the speaker of Lok Sabha. Our ex foreign minister was a woman. It proves that women are not less than men, and given a chance, they can do it.
The government needs to formulate strict laws to check the rising crime against women. The education plays an important role in women empowerment. An educated woman is an asset to the country and forms the cornerstone of nation building. There are many rights provided to women by the Constitution of India, such as right to privacy, right to virtual complaints, right to zero FIR, right to no sexual harassment, etc.
At the last, I would like to say government should start some awareness program about the positive impact of women empowerment and give some special quota for the women like in army and government job uh, uh, and start some policy like beti bachao beti padhao. Thank you so much.
At last, I would like to say that government need to eliminate gender equality for empowering women.
पार्टिसिपेट करिए भाई, क्या हो गया? But the education is the best method to empower the woman. We need to aware, we need to do is spare the aware about the education, and we need to encourage the woman to do the job